Well, I guess we'll start this video out in the air. Just out for a random flight from home here. And I saw the golf course over there. It's like, man, I want to go over there and cruise the golf course. There's not going to be anybody out. So check out what happened when I got there.
I gotta say, that's some of the best footage I've ever gotten in my life, just for the record.
Alright, this wasn't going to be a YouTube video. Flying around. A random drone flying guy, Ryan, buzzed right in front of me. It's like, shit, I gotta go check that out. Alright, I want to watch this take off. The motor was hard to start, cold.
Wow, now that was a day of flying. This guy literally dropped in out of the sky while I was flying, and we just flew a bunch of packs together, and it was awesome.
Not every day you run into a random FPV drone guy. Professional drone guy. He had some kind of a medal on his neck. Ryan, you can comment what that was about, the medal, if you do see this. I was just having fun out cruising around. Saw the golf course and figured with this Corona, no one's going to be over there. Head towards home. The radar was showing a bunch of rain over here. I don't want to get caught in that. And we're back home. I'm officially feeling some raindrops. So I think it's time to call it a day of flying. There's some more raindrops hitting me. See if there's any wind at all. Man, very, very little. See, I'm still recording. I never get my landings on video. Don't get most of my launches either for whatever reason. This looks pretty good. All right, I'll take that. Awesome flight. Thanks for flying with me, Ryan. Later on, guys.